In the tide of science and technology, innovation is the eternal theme. Guangdong Huasu Intelligent Equipment Technology Company, Limited, with innovation as the driving force and excellent quality as the pursuit, leads the new trend of PE foam converting equipment technology. Let us explore together the wisdom and power behind it. Guangdong Huasu is located in Zhuhai, a vibrant coastal city. Since its establishment in 2013, it has focused on the research and development and production of PE foam automation processing equipment and extrusion equipment with high-quality products. Our story is a legend woven together by professional enthusiasm and innovative spirit. Our machinery are all independently developed and produced, from sheet metal, welding, precision CNC processing, CNC lathes, etc., realizing the ultimate pursuit of product innovation, technology, and quality, providing customers with one-stop automation solutions. The Extrusion Machinery Division is the starting point of the PE foam production chain. We use advanced extruder and rely on efficient, energy-saving, and environment-friendly foaming technology to ensure that the PE foam rolls is uniformly foamed and light in weight. The Press Machinery Division is one of the cores of Guangdong Huasu. We have a series of precision press machinery, such as full servo hydraulic press equipment, etc., using advanced servo control system and precise mechanical structure, which can produce each product accurately and quickly. Workers operate skillfully in the PE foam assembly workshop, focusing on precisely splicing the components to ensure that every detail fits perfectly, demonstrating an efficient production process and superb craftsmanship. The full automatic intelligent cutting table machinery division is equipped with advanced control systems and high-precision, high-rigidity mechanical parts and electrical components to more accurately control the cutting path and cutting depth, achieving high-speed, stable, and precise cutting operations. In the spacious and bright exhibition hall, customers stop to appreciate and carefully understand the excellent performance and innovative design of each equipment. At present, Huasu has 7 series of products, covering 75 types and more than 200 models of PE foam processing equipment. Customers and friends from all over the world are welcome to visit and give guidance. In the R&D Technology Center, we have a group of excellent R&D engineers who have the ability to professionally and focus on developing new products, ensuring that each product is of high quality and high requirements, laying a solid foundation for product quality and performance. In the Production Management Center, we meet customer needs with high-quality technology and process management. We ensure that all production tasks are carried out in an orderly and efficient manner with high-quality technology and process management. Quality is our eternal pursuit. Quality technicians carefully inspect each device in the laboratory to ensure that each product meets high standards, demonstrating Huasu's persistent pursuit of quality. Customer Service System, with professional capabilities to provide customers with a full range of services. Our customer service network is spread all over the world, and we are constantly expanding our market share. Our customer service team adheres to the customer-centric philosophy. Through regular and rigorous skills training, we continuously improve our service skills to meet customers' technical service needs. We have established a 3-dimensional service system that integrates online installation, repair, telephone technical service, and on-site service. Ensure timely and effective response to every customer's requirement. Guangdong Huasu Intelligent Equipment Technology Company, Limited has gone through a development process from the research and development of pearl cotton deep processing equipment to becoming a benchmark in the EPE full range of equipment industry. Our wall of honor records our growth and achievements. Since 2014, we have independently developed and produced the first industry automated bonding machine. In 2015, we independently developed the first patented product. In 2016, our products met the CE certification standards for the first time and were exported to Europe. In 2017, we were rated as a high-tech enterprise. In 2019, we were rated as a contract-abiding and trustworthy enterprise by the financial system. In 2020, we passed the National Military Standard Quality Management System certification, an ISO 9001 Quality Management System certification, and won the Growth Group Award in the Science and Technology Innovation Cup competition. With more than 80 utility model patents and more than 10 invention patents, our patents cover multiple fields such as pearl cotton deep processing equipment, fully automatic intelligent cutting equipment, full servo hydraulic cutting equipment, foaming equipment, etc. Looking to the future, we have clear strategic plans and development goals. We will build a world-renowned private enterprise in mechanical equipment. Our goal is to be customer-centric, to provide first-class products, first-class quality, and first-class services, to help customers achieve automation, reduce costs, and increase efficiency, and to create higher benefits and value for customers.